Croeso I uned 22. When asking questions in Gymraeg, there are 3 different words which mean is and are. They are ydy or yw, si and mai. In this unit, we will be concentrating on si. You have already been introduced to the word si. Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember what the following questions mean? Pwy sy'n siarad? Who's speaking? Pwy sy'n gwneud y gwaith? Who is doing the work? Beth sy'n bod? What is the matter? Beth sy'n digwydd? What is happening? Both sydd and the shortened form si are relative forms of the verb to be, bod, in the present tense, and are interchangeable. They stand for who is or who are, which is or which are, that is or that are. Dych chi'n deall? Do you understand the following questions? Pwy sy'n gweithio heddiw? Who is working today? Pwy sy'n dod i'r gwaith yfory? Who is coming to work tomorrow? Pwy sy'n gweithio wythnos nesaf? Who is working next week? When si is used in beth, pwy, and faint questions in everyday conversation, usually there will be one word or subject or si in the answer. Edrychwch. Dywedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Pwy sy'n mynd i'r cyfarfod? Jack. Jack sy'n mynd i'r cyfarfod. Beth sy'n digwydd? Ymarfer tân. Ymarfer tân sy'n digwydd. Do you see how you can answer the question with one word or by using si in a sentence? Dych chi'n gallu gweld? There's a chance now for you to put this into practice. Remember, you can always watch this video again to revise. Pob lwc!